Hello, this is Mrs. Liu. Let us look at this maths question. A curve is such that d squared y over dx squared equals to 2 over e to the power of 2x minus 3, and the point P 1, 5, 2 lies on the curve. The gradient of the normal to the curve at point P is 10. Find the equation of the curve. Okay, so we want to find the equation of this curve. Okay, so we know this is the what is given. Okay, so 2, if you want to bring this whole thing up, you need to put a negative outside. Okay, so it's actually negative 2x plus 3. Okay, so I can write it as 3 minus 2x. So in order to get dy dx, I need to integrate this. Remember how to integrate? So you put a constant outside. You integrate, you actually have minus half e 3 minus 2x bracket plus c, because you have integrated. So there is a constant. So you simplify, dy over dx will be equals to negative e 3 minus 2x plus c. Okay, we're given this point, x equals to 1.5. Okay, so we know x equals 1.5. And the gradient of the normal is 10. So if the gradient of the normal is 10, so we know that the gradient of the tangent is negative 10. Negative 1 over 10, right? Because the gradient of the tangent is the negative reciprocal of the gradient of the normal. So you're going to substitute negative 1 over 10 into dy dx. Okay, so we have negative 1 over 10. Okay, substitute x equals to 1.5 and dy dx equals to negative 1 over 10 into the equation. Okay, so we can substitute into this equation. So we actually have e to the power of e to the power of 3 minus 2 bracket 1.5, okay, over here, plus c is equals to negative 1 over 10. Okay, we substitute both inside this equation over here. Okay, so we'll find that when x equals to 1.5, so we'll get c equals to 9 over 10. Okay, we'll get c equals to 9 over 10. So we actually have this equation over here, dy dx, okay, negative e to the power of 3 minus 2x, okay, plus 9 over 10, which is a constant. Okay, so from here we need to find the equation. So we need to integrate one more time. Okay, let me draw a line to divide my working. So we need to integrate one more time. So y is equals to, so integrate over here, half e to the power of 3x, 3 minus 2x, plus 9 over 10 x plus c. Okay, so again we substitute x equals to 1.5. Okay, inside. Okay, and what do we get? Okay, substitute x equals to 1.5 and y equals to 2. Okay, so we substitute it inside. What do we get? We get c is equals to 3 over 20. Okay, so this 3 over 20 will be this constant over here. So therefore the answer for the equation of the curve will be y is equals to half e to the power 3 minus 2x plus 9 over 10 x plus 3 over 20. Okay, that's all for today. Remember, you are a miracle.